Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Both machines must be online and reachable, whether on the same LAN or through a VPN. Next, enable the remote desktop server or your chosen app on the host and write down its computer name or public IP. This is how you will connect. Create or verify a user account with a strong password and explicitly grant remote access permissions to that account. Once done, keep the host awake and disable sleep, otherwise connections drop unexpectedly. Now you switch to the client machine and open the remote desktop client or app. Type the host name or IP and enter the credentials you prepared. Before you click Connect, configure display resolution, local resource redirection like clipboard and drives, and set experience options for bandwidth savings. For security, make sure network-level authentication is enabled, add firewall exceptions only for the chosen port, and if you must expose the host, change the default port and restrict allowed IPs. These steps protect access while enabling. To finish, initiate the connection and accept any certificate prompts so encryption establishes properly. Then test that clipboard, file transfer, and printing behave as expected. When your work is complete, lock or sign out of the remote session to maintain security and prevent unattended access. If you run into problems, first confirm the host firewall and router port forwarding, then recheck credentials and NLA settings. If needed, reboot the host. Many intermittent issues clear after a restart, so try that before deeper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.